Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can make a stand on Roblox Please Donate. So first you need to click on where it says Please Donate and play Please Donate. If you don't see it over here, you can search for it. And for this, you need to have Roblox downloaded on your PC. So do that. You cannot do this on the website version. After you do that, the Roblox will open up and your Please Donate game will start up. So wait for some time until the game completely loads up. Now, once the game completely loads up, what you need to do is you need to find yourself a stand which has not been used. There's going to be multiple stands available over here, but you need to find a stand which has not been taken by anyone else. That's the only way you guys can create yourself a stand. So wait for some time now. Due to my internet being slow, my game is lagging a bit. But as you guys can see, the stand has been appearing over here. Now I can go to a stand which has not been claimed. If a stand already has something displayed over here just like this, as you guys can see over here, it's being displayed. You cannot take it. You need stand which has nothing on it. So over here there is a stand which has nothing on it. So you can just come over here and click on E, and all of the thing which you have created is going to be listed over here, and anyone can come and buy that stuff, which means basically they're going to be giving you money. All right, so that is basically how you guys can apply yourself for a stand. Just come over here, press E, and all of the stuff which you have is going to be listed over here. Just like in my case, I have only created this one stuff. That's why only this stuff has been listed. And remember, for your stuff to be appearing over here just like this, you need to create a game pass and make that game pass available for sales. And we have already made a video on how to create yourself a game pass, so you can watch that video on our channel one step. It is basically how you guys can create game pass for sales. You can do that and your game pass will be created. Once your game pass is created, you can basically come here and upload it, and people can buy that game pass and give you money. Because if you have nothing to sell, then you have nothing to take money from them. So create yourself some game pass and come over here, create a stand and sell it. It's basically simple. Once you create game pass, you just come inside this, press on E, and basically your game pass will automatically be uploaded over here. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.